When you're working on a publication with a lot of pages in Affinity, there are times when you'd want to add hyperlinks that jump to specific points within your document. And that's exactly what anchors are for. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert anchors in Affinity and create hyperlinks that target those anchors. Let's get into it. I'm currently in the Layout Studio, and I've got a 2-page document with some text, shapes, and images. This actually works across all studios in Affinity, but for this tutorial, we'll keep it in Layout. Now to add an anchor, I'll head to Page 2 and select the text I want to link to. Then I'll go to the Anchors panel. If you don't see it, go to the window menu at the top, select References, and click Anchors. I'll click this icon to create a new anchor, which will open up a dialog box where I can fill in the required information. Alternatively, I can go to Text in the top menu, select Interactive, and click Insert Anchor. Or I can simply right-click on the selected text, select Interactive, and click Insert Anchor. Once the dialog box is open, I'll fill in the name, make sure to check Export as Bookmark, and click OK. I can also add an anchor to a specific word within a text. I'll just select that word, then click Add Anchor in the Anchors panel, or go to Text, Interactive, and click Insert Anchor. Or right-click on it and click Insert Anchor. Fill in the details and click OK. And beside text, I can also insert anchors on a shape and an image. It's the same process. All the anchors I've created will be listed right here in the Anchors panel. You can double-click on any of them to jump to that specific anchor, or click here to remove one. Next, let's create a hyperlink that targets one of these anchors. I'll head to page 1, switch to the Move tool, and select some text. Then I'll head to the Hyperlinks panel. If you don't have it open yet, go to the window menu, select References, and click Hyperlinks. Then click this icon to add a hyperlink. The dialog box will pop up where I can fill in the details. I can also get here by going to Text, Interactive, and clicking Insert Hyperlink. Or I can right-click on the selected text, select Interactive, and click Insert Hyperlink. In the dialog box, I'll set the type to Anchor. Then on the Anchor drop-down, I'll select which anchor I want to link to. I'll choose a character style and click OK. And just like that, our hyperlink is ready. Just like with text, I can also add hyperlinks to a specific word, a shape, or an image. The same steps apply. To test it out, just select any of these hyperlinks in the Hyperlinks panel and click the Go to Target icon to jump straight to the anchor. And there you have it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a like and share. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.